Hey! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Privacy section over here. Then select Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of your device's options. I will go with Location. Then you need to select one of your apps, for example Files, and tap on one of those options. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so I have to click on it, tap on the back button, and as you can see, Files just gained access to this device location if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, select any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to change all my permissions, or some, for sound recorder. So I have to click on it and tap on See All Sound Recorder Permissions instead. Now I can manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!